now is available at McCarthy Cars. Chrysler 300C 07 plate 2007 metallic silver. Car has front headlight washer, front fog lights. It's got 18-inch alloy wheels, electric sunroof. Car has rear parking sensor. Split folding rear seats. It's got full grey leather interior. It's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, child seat preparation, 4 electric window, electric and folding mirror, electric seats, electric sunroof. Car has satellite navigation, 2-zone air conditioning, heated seats, automatic transmission, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, Boston premium sound system. Thank you for watching.